Hey guys, welcome back to another video from this game. I just found this game and I just create my own server. You can just join my server. I create a shop, gun shop. Yeah, a gun shop. I've been creating this thing now, so don't worry. I've been creating this since a long time. So don't worry, I'm not gonna kill someone with this gun. This is too weak. Now, don't worry, I know that gun. Don't worry, here, right here. Sorry guys, my video cut, so I just been running this gun. It's been a long time. You can just create, you can just search my name. That's my name right there. But don't worry, I've been creating this since a long time. I've been bored, so I'm just creating this video just get some viewers right here. And thank you guys for subscribing my video, and the W Soldier guy, thank you for liking and subscribing, and thank you for everything I created my videos, and I just reached a few viewers. Just look to my channel soon. Okay, bye.